it's a lot easier to capture this data in the proper way, consistently, and in the same location over time.
Now, the project team is afforded daily construction photos harvested accurately and again in the same exact location with a high degree of fidelity without having to occupy or offset any of the staff's time.
We're most excited about getting Spot in the field, and we're excited to get Spot into the hands of real users on real job sites and to figure out where other applications of this technology can take us.
My experience working with SpotWalk was fun, it was easy to use, and I thought it was such a practical way to take photos. It took me 30 seconds to learn how to navigate Spot.
It's really easy to open up the SpotWalk app and train people on how to use it because of how intuitive it is.
It helps me with time management, the time that I would spend walking around in the field, taking the pictures. So instead of doing that, I have more time managing risk in the field where I'm really needed.
Having Spot on the job site would definitely better prioritize my time elsewhere where it's needed, whether it's with our trade partners, whether it's with the owner, whether it's just coordinating work on site, and it takes my mind off the time where I need to go do my daily pictures or my weekly pictures or my monthly pictures. I know that I have a designated tool to use that's going to be efficient in the long run.
Well, certainly with the SpotWalk and HoloBuilder platform,